giving thanks. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, it's better than thanks for you and for me. Don't worry about a thing. Gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
All right, don't worry, Sunrisers. Everything is going to be all
right.
Yeah, welcome back to Sunrise. Good morning to those who are just joining us. And good morning again to those who were with us from before. We're going to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and a whole lot of laughs. Laughter is a good thing for the soul, good
medicine.
thing. So we're diving headfirst into the recent and most talked about videos. I wonder if Sasha selected these videos this week.
Sasha, I say no.
I don't want to hype up the videos just yet in case it was Sasha. Woo.
Sasha said no. Disclaimer,
Let's just
did
say
not select the videos, so we're looking forward to see.
We give thanks for small mercies.
These moments are heartwarming moments. Maybe it won't make you laugh, but it will,
make you
move your
smile.
Heart, right?
Yeah.
Latest viral trend. So let's see what the videos are. Let's jump in and see the very first video.
Sasha, you're catching strays, girl. Actually, those were not strays. Those were direct. First video.
That's a good start.
That was Sasha's video.
No.
Hey,
let me tell you something.
We're not easy,
I must say this. I can say this. I've worked in comedy for decades. It's a very difficult time to dispense of humor, but it's a very important thing to receive doses of. So, as I said earlier, we can't spend the entire day down to find moments that we can, have relief.
But also, let's not go outside of the hurricane.
Yes.
Suppose on the blow away, but to make video.
Not smart.
But that was good.
Not smart.
By the way, if you don't know the music video for that song, watch the music video for the song and then watch back that video and you'll get the gist.
Yeah.
Next video.
On a scale from 1 to 10, my friend.
Hey, let me tell you something. Not bad. Because listen, when you see those videos with those journalists reporting in hurricanes have visited countries. I remember years ago in Katrina, we always see those images, and see behind us, and the wind is blowing. Crazy, I don't know.
But officially, my new favorite hurricane clip is of Drusel. Standing on the beach by Palisados, and the water just lift up and just come over into our shoes and take up the beach and just say, woo! And start runway. Officially, I think that was probably everybody's favorite clip out of
But you see, Giselle, but you don't see DJ and Daniel and Patrick. Whoever it is,
who was our cameraman for that clip?
Videographer.
Oh,
Hershando.
Hey.
Kershando Wallace.
Also, when she point out look upon the crocodile in the water, who tell her fish? Hershando again. Drusel is my new favorite storm journalist, weather coverer. Next video.
People. I'm Drusel Mills reporting for CVM News. I am currently on the Palisados Strip. Winds are at high. The power of the wind is literally pushing my body forward. And guess what? The sea levels are high. It's coming in powerful. The rain is coming in and out. First it's heavy, then it becomes light. People, this is not a drill. Melissa is close to our lands and we ought to take heed to the instructions that are given by the authorities. If you're in a flood-prone area, evacuate immediately, people.
Nobody could have scripted.
What you want? She said, my shoes.
That could not have been scripted by a creative writer. When she said evacuate, she left it out. She evacuated. Oh!
Hey, Why look at the audio right there, so? I didn't even know that video was in React, but I think I watched that video minimum 10 times.
Yeah.
Minimum. And I love the crocodile one when him say, shh. You catch him back? Look on him back. You see the crocodile back? Look back. Shh. I love it. Next video.
When me young, me never get no baby shower.
Yeah.
So now me I do an adult shower. Anybody have the clothes in a good condition? Inbox me.
Fresh drop.
Clothes them gone. And them young.
That is it. But tell us how close me are doing now. You understand that? But I'm not talking about clothes, you know. You need clothes too, you know what I mean? No, it's how she asks for help in a creative way.
So IT not go find her?
I forgot. Look here, I'll get it for the producer. I'll get the link. Clothes them gone.
Watch back the video and they just figure out her size, and you have to go find her and say, this is for you for your adult shower.
You know what's interesting?
Right
You said that even though I have a lot of women around me, a woman will wear a man's shirt
Yes.
easily,
Yes.
but we can't wear a blouse. You know what I mean? the DJ look up and Danny look up a while ago. Yeah, Patrick said, no, stop.
Look here. No, I'm asking you this now. I'm going to take a poll. I'm
Yeah.
going to take a poll of the gentlemen in the room. We have 4 gentlemen in the room.
Yes.
Well, 5 and IT.
Yes, we have
4 that you
DJ
can't
Phoenix,
see.
we have Patrick,
Phoenix.
Daniel, Danny, DJ, and IT 6.
All right. If you guys had no clothes,
Look here.
Danny, may never even see you over there. If you
Huge.
guys have no clothes whatsoever,
Huge.
hands up
Yendi.
if you want to wear a blouse and skirt.
Yendi, I does not. Listen, Yendi, I am going without shirt. Yendi,
No?
I go
So
without
you would
shirt.
rather walk around like the day you were born?
Yendi, I are not does it?
Staying at the house? No, DJ don't have no house. What you going to, Phoenix? Garden of Eden, he said. Okay.
Hey,
Daniel said, Brawley.
I are not does it?
So you wouldn't wear a blouse? Even have no other option? More than the
God.
blouse. You wouldn't wear a bloomers?
But you know, DJ said, I'll wear, but I'll stay in the house. Hey, all about them.
All right, here's the next scenario. You get a bloomers and you have to go down to the shop to get some food. You don't eat in 5 days and you don't drink water for 5 days. But you get a bloomers. You're not going to put on the bloomers and go down to the shop. DJ? No. Daddy?
You're not eating 5 days?
Danny, I got to take the bloomers. Daniel? No to the bloomers. Patrick?
No, all right. Even on.
No. Phoenix? He will say we'll take a bigger bloomers. All right.
You can't take the bloomers, you know. But so you walk around the shop.
Show me how you have to walk in
You
the
have to
bloomers,
walk,
IT.
man.
IT,
Yeah,
how you walking at the bloomers?
So
Walk us to the break.
So you put on the bloomers and you have gone and you have passed the corner with the man them.
Show me.
You have met them know, say, even though them see the bloomers, on a play things.
In your bloomers. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get IT a bloomers in this commercial break. And when we come back from this commercial break, we're going to have him muggle a nice big bloomers, as Phoenix said he would wear, yeah?
I met some, when you walk, you set the finger so. You know,
Yeah,
Jamaicans.
madman bloomers. All right, coming back from the break, we're going to hear from the Small Business Association because, let's be real, the work must go on. And for us, we have to rebuild and we need to rebuild stronger, yeah?
Absolutely, yes.
So stick and stay, come back for that interview, but also IT in his bloomers. Whoa. Find a bloomers. Sasha, find a bloomers.